Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alright, today I am going to be doing the unboxing for Stitchfix as well as the try on. This is my third box. The first one did not work out at all, so I canceled it, and then I was getting messages on YouTube as well as Instagram DMs about the company and to give them a try, because you can, it's just a whole bunch of messages I got. So I said, okay, well, I'll go ahead and try again. And then last month was a lot better than the first month, and there were 3 products in there that I really did like and enjoy, and so I decided to go ahead and give it a third try to see if maybe this time we can keep all 5 pieces instead of 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever. So I'm back with another one, and yeah, if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you never miss an upload, like the video, and comment. And I do have a giveaway that is still going on for me reaching 300 subscribers, and I will link that in the cards above. There is still time. It does not end until Wednesday, May 15th. All right, and I know I am at 400 right now, and again, thank you all so much. I'm really appreciative, and the 400 giveaway will be probably, since the 300 one is over on the 15th, I will probably do the 400 subscriber giveaway that next Monday, to start on that next Monday after that. What is that? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Probably on the 20th will be the one for the 400 subscribers. But anywho, yeah, let's go ahead and get into what we're supposed to be doing. And the box this month looks like this. Usual box. It's just that this box is a little, not as big and tall. So, whatever. Let's get into it. And let's see. And it's still packaged the same way. Let's go. So you can see what's going on. Like this. Okay, and then knocking down stuff. All right, and then as usual, it has their little envelope with stuff for us to see, which basically just has what's in the box and different ways to style it. And this is the prices right here, and they put that in the envelope. And then they also give you a return envelope to put all your pieces in. If you're going to keep any, then of course you won't need this, but you can put all your pieces in. Whatever you're going to send back, you put in here. Now, for anyone who does not know, Stitchfix is a monthly subscription. Well, it doesn't have to be monthly, but monthly is their most popular. Like, you can get boxes whenever you want. There's choices on the website that you can, whatever fits your budget you can do, but most people choose the monthly, and that's the one that I'm set up for right now. And it is just $20, which is the stylist fee. The stylist, will go over your profile to see, what you chose, and they'll select which, best suits what you requested. And you can also note things on what you want the stylist to know about you, different things or whatever. There's like a little comment section or note to the stylist or something like that. Like, there's a lot of user-friendly things on a website that will really help you out and help your stylist get to match you better, which is really nice. The website is very user-friendly, and again, it is $20 each time you use the service, and again, that is the stylist fee. And whatever you decide to keep, you just pay for those pieces, which, like I said, the price comes in the box. You just pay for those pieces on whatever you want to keep. And you do go on the website, and they have it on the website. It says checkout, and then you check on there all the pieces you're going to keep or all the pieces you're going to send back. But whatever you keep, you do get charged for that. And yeah, and also you only have 3 days to receive the box and review it to see if you want to keep it before they automatically assume that you're going to keep all 5 pieces. And you will be charged for all 5 pieces within 3 days, unless you go on the website like soon as you get it. That's what I always do, since I know you got 3 days. As soon as I get this box, I go on the website, and I usually request like 1 week, maybe 10 days. It just depends on how quickly I know that I'm going to do the video, which normally is, you know, within about 5 days after I get the box. I never do it right away. So I always either go in and I put like I need an extra 7 to 10 days on there. You know, it gives you the options and the dates on there that you can choose before you get charged. So, you know, I don't want to automatically get charged for pieces and then have to, you know, talk to someone and get my money back and all that. No, so I just go right in, change the date for about 10 days later, so I have a chance to do the video, try it on, decide, and then have a chance to send all their stuff back before I get charged. It's very, they work with you. It's very easy to work with this company. So, okay, again, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh yeah, and then that $20 stylist fee that you did pay will also be subtracted from what you keep as well. So, yeah. All right, so let me go ahead and just take out this is everything that I have, and it comes in here very well packaged. I'm gonna put that on the floor, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and it's folded very nicely. I like that. All this fit in that. That's cute. All right, so first thing is this, which is, let me get my thing ready for the prices. All right, so the first thing is this is a Leroy short sleeve duster cardigan. Oh, I never had a cardigan that was short sleeve before. Wow, I got cardigans with a long sleeve. I never had a short sleeve one. Hey, really cute. This is cute. I like this a lot. Y'all can see this, right? Very cute. I like that. All right, the cardigan is a 2X and it's $54. Next, oh yeah, I can see crosses or crisscrossities. I like stitches like that. See, that's a cute shirt. See that? This is also in a 2X. This is the Mimsy Lattice Black Knit Top by Paper Moon Fuchsia 2X. This looks actually a little teeny big. Sometimes I can wear shirts in 1X. You know, I just got these big old bazookas here, so sometimes it's hard to say, you know, if I'm gonna need a 2X or a 1X. It just depends on the shirt. But yeah, my style that I wrote down is 2X. So yeah, but yeah, cute. This is really cute. I like that shirt. Yeah, that goes in the front. Yeah, that's front. The stitching, I mean no, wait, that's the back. I'm sorry. That's the back. So it goes like this. This is what it looks like, and then the back has that. Okay. And whoa. And that is 2X, $34. Wait, is that one? No, that is, oh, that's $44. Sorry, that's $44. And this is, what is this? Crew short sleeve cardigan. Another short sleeve cardigan. Oh my gosh, this is pretty too. I need this. I need this one and the black. I've never had a short sleeve cardigan. So cute. Oh, now we may have some winners. Nice. Look at this. This is cute. Oh yes, this is really cute. I like this. I like this. I'm not even dressed right now. I'm just doing these videos. When I get done doing these videos, because I'm actually, that's why I think I did 4 videos. This is my last video of the day with my hair and makeup like this. So y'all gonna see this look 4 times next week, I think. Yeah, probably, because these all videos are going up for next week. But, you know, whatever. You know how I do. I do not ever just do one video. I don't, because I don't have time to be doing no dang one video when I'm already ready. So I'll make a day of it. So anywho, so yeah, that's that. But yeah, after I finish this, I am going outside. That's why I'm not dressed. We're going on the porch, and my husband and I are barbecuing some hot dogs and hot sausages, and we're gonna have some hamburgers. I already made some pasta salad and potato salad. I already made that. So yeah, so we're gonna have us some time. He went to the liquor store. Yes. And then when my son get off, he can join us. I don't know if his friend is coming or not, but whatever. This is the Emery Park Dolce short sleeve knit top. 2X as well. Has a lot of crisscross. You see this little crisscross right here? That's cute. This is nice too. Like this. This is very cute. I like it. Yeah. I like that. But that's, you know. I mean, I like basic shirts because that's what I wear a lot. I don't tend to, you know, wear nothing too over the top. Unless I'm going somewhere special and I need to be dressed over the top. But basically plain shirts like this is all that I need. I do like it a lot. And let's see, that was, let's see, $38. Oh, and that other short sleeve cardigan was $44. And then this last shirt is $34. No, it's $38. I'm sorry. This last shirt that I'm about to show you is $38. It's a floral shirt, 2X, Paper Moon, Fayette mixed material blouse. Paper Moon. Oh, yeah, a little, okay, okay. It's cute-ish. I mean, I like it. This is the back right here. This is the front. I mean, I don't know. This kind of looks, does it look old lady-ish? This is cute, though. I'm sorry. I don't mean to say, you know, old. I'm sorry, y'all, for saying, because I'm old my damn self. Y'all know I'm 46, so I'm old my damn self, so I can't be saying old lady-ish, but is it though? You know, is it? I don't know. I like it. I do like it. I would wear this, you know, with probably my Bermuda shorts or something. Leggings. It just depends on what, because I do be wearing leggings in the wintertime, but they're really thin kind, because you know your girl is kind of thick there, got them thick old thighs. I don't always show these thighs. I wear Bermuda shorts and leggings and capris. That's what I wear in the summertime. But I you know, I do wear like thin enough shirts and stuff, but yeah, I don't be showing these big old thighs like that. Only at the beach, honey. Not your girl. I don't be showing these things. Not like that. So, but yeah, I'm just trying to see. This is cute though. I do like it. I mean, I like it. But fly, I like it. So, you know. Okay, so that's that, y'all. And there's no pants this time, which is absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. But I'm gonna tell you right off the bat before I even try this on. You know, I just got on a pair of leggings right now, so you know, don't worry about it not matching. Of course it's not gonna match, but I know right off the bat the 2 cardigans are mine. The 3 shirts I like, but I'm not sure if I'll keep. But you know, I don't know. But I will go ahead and try this stuff on anyway. Just to sum it up, yeah, I have to bend down a little bit because I didn't feel like pulling up the tripod. So whatever, y'all get the drift. And yes, so the black cardigan, the white cardigan, the fuchsia shirt, and this shirt are mine. That flower shirt is going back. I don't know. I just feel that it's not me, I guess. But the 4 pieces, oh yeah, they will be staying with your girl. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.